People keep telling you that it's vital to know when it's time to pull the brakes and give your relationship a pause. They keep telling you that you've got to recognize when it's time to stop putting in the effort, but you still can't seem to understand why walking away is powerful. A lot of women have applied this rule into their relationships once they figured out they weren't happy with the direction they were headed. They made a decision to pull away before it was too late. So do men. It's the same for both genders and is going to work in the same way. As a result, many of them managed to turn their unhealthy relationships into healthy ones, or chose to end that chapter of their lives by focusing on other things that made them happier. Still, you can't seem to see the real secret behind walking away. Can it really help to make your relationship better when you actually enjoy instead of stress about? Let's find out the power of walking away from a woman and showing her what she can lose if she doesn't decide to act. Why is walking away so powerful? Walking away is supposed to make a positive change in both your relationship and your life. It either makes your partner realize what she can lose, or makes you see clearly that she's not the one for you. So, when you decide to show your girl everything she's missing out on once you're out of her life, you actually take control into your own hands. Here's why walking away is so powerful in how it affects your relationship and your partner's behavior. Number 1, women love to chase. The first reason walking away is powerful may sound old-fashioned and stereotypical, but it carries the truth. Women naturally love to chase. They love to fight for everything they set their eyes on. And men aren't an exception. When falling in love with a girl and being in a relationship with her, you've probably been the one who put in more effort. You cared about her, cherished her, and constantly showed her how much she means to you. As a result, she thought that she'd always have you by her side, which made her lose interest in you. I know that there's nothing normal in her way of thinking, but it's what happens when women realize that they have you, regardless of how they act around you. She knows that you'll still love her, even if she stops being affectionate the way she used to. She knows that you'll still care about her, even though it's been months since the last time she took you on a date night. Since you keep showing her that you still care about her, even after she reduces her effort, she then stops fighting for you altogether. But it all changes once you decide to walk away. When you step on the brakes, turn around and keep walking in the opposite direction, she then changes the way she treats you. She sees that she'll now have to chase after you if she wants to have you in her life. And that's something that inspires her to alter her behavior and do something before she loses you completely. She knows that this is her last call. She must start doing things differently or she'll end up without you. Number 2, walking away makes her miss you. When you give all of your love to your girl, she gets used to the feeling that she's your whole world. But instead of reciprocating it, a woman may decide to act cold and stop showing you love. Then, once you decide to walk away from her, she realizes how much she misses all of the attention and appreciation. She misses your calls to see how she's doing and your messages of support. She misses hearing your good night and good morning wishes each day. But she only realized that once you walked away from her and showed her you're not here to play games. When you cut her off and turn your back to her, she then starts to miss you because she sees how much you cared about her. She realizes that no one can ever love her the way you do, and that's when the light bulb goes on in her head. That's it for today. I will be coming up with the next part of this video very soon. With that being said, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.